everybody! I am at the beach. Breakfast at the beach. How does it sound? It sounds so cool, isn't it? I'm going to make a really easy, simple, fast breakfast. Egg rice, keranbap in Korean. Let's heat up the pan and rice. I'll make a rice ball. I made a white fluffy rice. You see? Cooking oil, any oil, olive oil, vegetable oil, corn oil, any oil. No sesame oil. And cold water, little bit cold water, so that it's not stick to your hands. This amount. Make this disc. I'm going to cook this both sides a little bit crunchy. That's the key point. I just cook this around 2 minutes. Let's flip over. See? Around just a little bit crunchy. Nice. And we need this gim. Let's do it. This is already toasted gim, but I like to make it more crispy. Then crush this. So this is keranbap. So we need the keran, this egg. And turn off. Let's put this rice to the platter. Like this in the center. Egg. Just like a hat. Soy sauce, sesame seeds, and sesame oil. That's it. This is my breakfast. Let's go outside. I told you I'm at the beach. It's just so windy, really windy, and my gim flying away. Crunch rice with soy sauce and also egg yolk. Runny egg yolk is kind of really juicy, and this is a really go well together. And gim flavor, seaweed flavor. This is a perfect kind of, some nutritious small portion breakfast. I used to make a keranbap, simpler version. What could be simpler version? I used to do, before going to school, early morning, no time to eat just a proper breakfast. And I scooped some rice from rice cooker and bring it in the one bowl. The rice should be really hot. Crack the raw egg and add some soy sauce and mix it together. I kept eating in 1 minute. And then I ran to school. So this is the kind of traditional way of keranbap. So I made this kind of upgraded version. And I like this because kind of the rice is crunchy, but all mixture is all same taste. So today I showed you how to make a Korean traditional keranbap. Enjoy my recipe. See you next time. Bye.